Hello, my name is Carlos. Today we're gonna try to find where is that shutdown button. A lot of people have problems since this is new for everybody, or for most of us. To shut down the computer, we need to point to the right, and then you select settings, one click, and power, 2 clicks. We're gonna try to do this in 1 click. To do that, we are going to create a shortcut, and we're also gonna bring the shortcut to the start screen right here. So let's go back to the desktop. On your desktop, right click and select new shortcut. On the shortcut, type the following: shutdown.exe space hyphen s space hyphen t space 00. Okay, press next. Type a name for this shortcut, will be just shutdown finish. We have this icon, and we're also gonna put give it a nice icon, a graphic. So we'll go and right click, selecting this icon. We'll right click, select properties, and change icon. There's an option right here, and shortcut. On the shortcut tab, the option is change icon. There is no icons, we just press OK. It's gonna give us another box. We'll select this power off icon. We press OK, and we apply. Press OK once more to get out. So we select right click and pin to start. We'll go here, and the button is right here. In my last screen, I'm gonna bring it down. I'm gonna click and hold the left button, and I'm gonna drag to whatever you want. Now I'm gonna just leave it on this side, and let's test this. And goodbye.